like to check my oil every time I leave. Well, actually, every couple times I start the car, I'll check the oil just to make sure it's still full. More on this thing later, but Vermont, carrying magnets today. Should be fun.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So having a little bit of fun. Some nice views while we're at it. Bumpy today. It's a little frosty, I guess. Yep. Here we go. I should probably downshift here. Just now starting to build back some oil pressure. I don't know if this thing is just leaking really bad or what's going on, but friggin' thing, or the gauge is messed up, or the pressure sensor's messed up. I don't know. Initial impression is to trust the gauge, just to be safe, and you know, like, not let my engine blow up. So it was down there for a little bit, but I put some more oil in it when I got to Lincoln, New Hampshire. Oh, hello, Audi. I think that's an RS3. Anyways, so we did the Kangamangas, or however you pronounce it. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. Highway pass from Conway. I went to Lincoln. I didn't do the entire pass, but I did Conway to Lincoln in New Hampshire. And absolutely beautiful drive. People are tailgating me. Seems to like fifth gear a little bit